My people, how una dey? Our topic for today na crypto terms. Crypto terms na common words wey dem dey use for the cryptocurrency space. The first word wey we go look today na altcoin. Altcoin na another name for cryptocurrency. Any cryptocurrency wey dem release after Bitcoin na altcoin dem dey call am. Fork. Fork na when one blockchain split into two. Example of fork na Bitcoin Cash. Fiat. Fiat na paper money when government approve. So our naira, dollar, euros, all of them na fiat. ATH. ATH means all time high. Na the highest amount or price when one crypto don reach. For instance, 2017 Bitcoin reach almost $20,000. Bullish. Bullish na when market price dey increase. E dey behave like bull, cow. As the bull cow dey bring e head come down to use raise go up fight, na im dem dey call bullish. Bearish na when market price come down. If bear dey fight, that animal dem dey call bear, e go dey fight come down. FOMO. FOMO na fear of missing out. When people dey fear say if I no buy this cryptocurrency now, I fit no ever get am again, they go rush buy. Na FOMO dem dey call am. FUD. Fear, uncertainty and doubt. Na media propaganda to discourage people from buying one particular cryptocurrency. Hold. Hold. HODL. Na mistake person use spell am like that instead of the normal way wey dem dey use spell hold. Wetin e mean na make person keep cryptocurrency, whether the price go up or e come down, the person go still keep am. Na wetin dem dey call hold be that. ICO. ICO na initial coin offering. When blockchain company decide say okay, dem wan sell out something wey be like shares, na ICO dem dey call am. Normal companies go do IPO, sell shares, while cryptocurrency company na ICO dem dey do. Airdrop. Airdrop na awoof when blockchain project or ICO dey do. Dem dey dash people free cryptocurrency coin as soon as their project start. Airdrop just mean awoof coin. Token. Dem dey also call cryptocurrency token, although token fit be when dem release the coin through ICO. E also mean one small unit of any cryptocurrency. Satoshis or sats. This na the smallest unit of Bitcoin. If dem divide Bitcoin down to 1 million pieces, na satoshis dem dey call am, just like naira and kobo. Buy high, sell low, or buy low, sell high. If you wan make gain for cryptocurrency, you need to buy am when e cheap, come sell am when the price go up. Na that one dem dey call buy low, sell high. But if you buy am when e cost, come sell am throway for shikini price because you no wan lose, na buy high, sell low dem dey call am. Whale. Whale na person wey get plenty cryptocurrency. In fact, na big man for cryptocurrency dem dey call whale. Na all I get for una today be that. Join us next time, we go continue for where we stop.